Alright guys, we're at the Ravina Park Baptist Church car show. We're gonna get some cars for everybody. Took about an hour to get here. Cameraman.
Where'd you go?
1953 truck.
Still coming in. They run out of parking spots.
Ran out of spots.
Yeah, they sure did.
They had to start parking people in the grass. We were
Now they're
lucky. We were just got in. We parked in the front here. But
They got people out double parked, yeah.
they said this is their biggest turnout they've ever had. It's a cool little area of town. Richmond, Indiana. Mousetrap.
Yeah.
You like the blue shit up?
Whatever. I don't want to lose that drawing money. Huh? You'll be back for the drawing.
Oh, it is.
Johnny's car.
Yeah, thanks for the text that you guys is coming over here.
It's a Cadillac, right?
Yeah.
Give me my Facebook thing to text me to. So
To
when
let you never ever comment.
Cadillac. Oh, that's the world's tallest tail fan.
Yeah, that's new. Oh, this one.
Man, I got a story for you.
What'd you think of that show yesterday?
that was a joke.
Yeah.
It took every. Me and Paul, you know,
This interior's nice.
us little group was sitting there, and I walked around twice, and they were judging cars. And I even talked to that one black guy. He said, "I'm just judging classics." And I said, "All right." He said, "We put an X in the window." That's what I was telling you guys about that. Well, that guy gave out the trophies. He was just looking at our windows, looking in the window and writing them down. Check. Check. That's it.
Well, I'll see you at the awards table up there getting your annual award.
I don't know about this one.
I won at Mount Orb, so I broke that 3-show slump.
Yeah, Mount Orb I heard was a good show.
It was a good show. There's some cars there that didn't win, and I don't know how they didn't win.
Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to understand it.
You have it going while you're talking?
His tire stuff smells like mine. That car was there yesterday. It's that one again. Thing's not spinning though.
The blue one right next to it looks so sharp.
Remember that thing spins around and all?
Yeah.
This is a Jeep.
I just got a little baby Jeep.
I don't live right down the road like you guys.
A baby Jeep. Chevy Cobalt, right? See now this is cool, custom thing. Yeah, maybe. Huh? You think it will because they work here? Well, it's on video, so everybody we don't know exactly what happens. Johnny can get mad again. He'd say, "I drove an hour for this. What happened?"
I love the color on it.
Yeah, it's nice. Huh?
Very sharp.
The interior's sharp in it too.
Like, thank you for 7 years. Here's a pen. Thanks.
1932.
Same make as that red one.
Yeah. The modified engine.
Yeah. Look at the baby truck next to it.
Well, like this truck here's a show car. I mean, you can tell.
Just never did.
And this is the back of the truck. It's for sale. Yeah, see, it's a show car quality. Huh. I like that wood in the back.
Yeah.
It's just taken care of really well. See, his tools match this. He's got a blue tools, huh?
He goes to Caesar's still, but he's down there.
What? Yeah, they got more than they expected. They got ones in the back. Parked them in the grass. They go all around the church, I think, now. Big circle. El Camino. Yeah, Barracuda's cool. Demon car.
I didn't order it, and I was going to, and I didn't.
I mean, I like that orange on that one, but I tell you what.
You don't see too many Dodge Demons on the road.
Well, the body looked good, but it just would not be that good.
Crazy though. Demon face.
Lime green, black. He's an Asian guy.
Yeah, well,
He's getting here.
We're still filming. You're gonna be filming forever.
Can I get a picture of it?
He?
Cheese. Look at me. Say cheese. Oh, so pretty. Really?
Car's really taken care of too.
Did it work?
Does it run?
Is that what?
Yeah, the paint's good and interior's really nice. Big Bird. What is that?
What is it? Tweety Bird?
Tweety Bird. Another one for sale. You got new wheels on it and stuff. This is sharp. You put a lot of money into this.
That's very sharp. Interior is nice.
It's supposed to be at least like 30%.
What do you think those things are?
Hood latches
I don't know.
for the. What was the hood?
I think it's the horns.
The
Oh, really?
Love that color.
Yeah, yeah. As soon as they made that update, I saw so many people on the videos. I'm not in a league or anything.
I've never messed with it deep enough to get into a league or
You enjoy it, and leagues are the way to go because you get in there with people, you race the same people every week, you sit there and have fun. Give each other a hard time.
I'll tell you, somebody messed with a guy in Nashville across the church.
I like to
He's got this barn right here.
Guess who else is here today? It's Go For Rider. Check him out on YouTube. He's got tons of videos. He does a hell of a job.